Hello, my name is Andrew Aziz, the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. Welcome to my channel.
Good morning, everybody. So let's do the recap today. Today was the craziest day in the stock market for a very, very long time. So, what happened is I don't know if you guys know this guy, the Roaring Kitty. He's the guy who first started buying GameStop back in 2021 and caused one of the biggest events in Wall Street, which is GME short squeeze. So he was gone for almost 2 years. So he made, I think, about something about $40 million. So as you see, his last post was June 18, 2021. And he didn't post anything. He was gone. I think he made about $40 million on Jimmy Short Squeeze until yesterday. He posted this picture. And the picture is essentially is a guy. He's a gamer. He used to live stream game, and now he's just moving forward. That means that something interesting is happening, and the whole fintech financial community will be blown away. Sees 100,000 likes, 24,000, 20 million views, and 10,000. So that means something crazy is happening. And guess what? GME, which is the stock that this guy actually started the squeeze, started become active. So, for example, if you want to see who is this guy, Roaring Kitty, is Keith Gill. So just look at him; he's amazing. He was a YouTuber, streamer, and he was amazing. There's a movie about it. It's called Dumb Money, and I highly recommend you guys go and watch that. Money, it's really amazing. Dumb Money. So it's about that. So he came and put this one, and see, guess what happened? GME was crazy, popped up in the pre-market and up I think it was up to 150% or something like that went up, and I traded that. Hell yeah, I traded that. So GME is amazing. So what happened was, let me tell you something, and that was one of my biggest win I've ever had in my life in day trading. So what happened was, here is, again, it was running up from, I think, below, what was it, it was yeah, the day before. Let's go to the daily chart. The day before was trading around $20. So what happened here was it was gapping up for the high of pre-market. I went long heavy at around 26.48, and I was hoping to get to break up the high of the day and high of pre-market. I went big size to get like 20-30 cents on that, and I eventually got over $10 out of this. So what happened? We got into a halt. So this is a volatility halt, first 5 minute halt. Out of the halt, it came out, opened up higher, started partialing out, and the second halt. And then after that, gapped up, partial again. And then the third halt. And then again, popped up, hold it into the fourth halt. And then popped up again into the fifth halt. So all the way up to $37 here. And as you see, it just continued going up. And then it halted again. And then it got halted on the way down. So, and I eventually got out of it. So, and halts on the way down are really bad. So essentially, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 halts it had, 9 halts, and eventually this is the last one. So 9 halts it had, and these are volatility halts. So what happened here, as you see, essentially, so for the typical one opening range breakout for the break of higher market, and it went all the way up to $37. I think this is going to be active tomorrow. It might actually gap up tomorrow. So that turned out to be my biggest trading that I've ever had, and I'm gonna what it's here. And this is the funny part. I actually traded live on YouTube, so you can actually go and see my trades live on YouTube. So this is, I've never had anything like that. And back in 2021, when this game stuff was crazy, I wasn't really trading big size, and now this is amazing. So back in the game, if you could look at it back in 2021, this is a trading day that we had that started from $18 all the way to 220. I think it went to up to 1,000. It had the reverse. I think it has a reverse split. So that was amazing. So that was trading day. So Nvidia was a trade that I did at the open. I had a loss on it. So tried to go long. I got stopped out. Came back up. I went long. I got stopped out. And eventually turned out to be a really nice short. Paris did a really, really nice short on that at the open. So while I was messing around with the GME, we had this one. Apple was also amazing. I think Apple had a news, so it popped up. I went long. I got stopped out. Came back up. I went long, and I got stopped out. So I got another trade that I did one long, got stopped out. Eventually went up and did that the move that I wanted to, but unfortunately it was really difficult to trade it at the open, so really choppy. So turned out to be the best trading day that I had, and yeah, looking forward. So now, guys, in terms of where are we in terms of YouTube? So now we are over 100,000 subscriber, guys. So now we are 101. Thank you so much for your support. This is what we're gonna do tomorrow. We're gonna give a laptop giveaway to anyone who is interested and in our live. So come on live, and we'll select randomly one of the active members in the chat room in the YouTube and give a laptop to that person. I might actually do it every week. I think Tuesday or Wednesday. We can actually give the laptop, or maybe randomly select that. If you haven't watched to our, if you haven't subscribed, please guys subscribe to my channel. And I think we had really amazing trading day. I think Paris, specifically Paris, did a really nice trade on Tesla. Tesla was really active today. So he went long and got stopped out. Eventually went long again, and he had a really nice move on it, Paris. And Paris usually adds on the pullback, but this one was so strong that he never really gave any pullback. So maybe this one was the place that Paris should have added. Eventually added again, popped up, added again. I got stopped out. So that was a great trade by Paris. What else do we had? Paris also traded NVIDIA. So I said, like me, try to catch the long on NVIDIA, got stopped out. Eventually flipped it to the short. And again, I told you Paris is really good at adding on these pullbacks. What else did he traded? He traded also GME like me, but he missed the first ones, but eventually did some pop out of that. So it was amazing. My best trading day ever in day trading. Thanks to Roaring Kitty, and I hope that he starts doing that. But I don't know what this guy is up to. But it's the power of these influencers. Like, what does he say? Like, he's posting these videos that is amazing. Like I love this guy. He's amazing. Watch the movie Dumb Money. It's a really, really good movie. And let me know what you think, guys. Tomorrow laptop, guys. Tomorrow laptop. Thank you so much, and all the best, guys.